Hello my people, oya make una rush follow me make we go do this delicious ogbono soup which is draw soup. As you see me so, see now I dey see the big fish wey I wan use, so I use hot water make I use pour am so everything go do peke peke, e go do pele pele. If I dey chop I know say na fish I dey chop, so I don put everything, my meat, my stockfish don already dey for pot, so I don dey separate the bone from the fish. I no want children dey eat soup dey go start to dey do I no want that, I no want your story o. See me now I don do everything, the soup don already, sorry if I no show una the process o. Oh yes, so I don dey do my swallow. Abeg if you no know wetin be swallow, go google o, ask google wetin swallow mean and google go tell you wetin swallow mean. See I don do the swallow already. Abeg my brother, my sister, I don dey talk, see I dey enjoy my food, I dey just dey balance the thing just dey enter anyhow anywhere, but this small pig wey I get for hand e no allow me chop the thing very well. So abeg if you see this video very interesting, abeg help me follow this page. If you dey watch for Facebook, if you dey watch for YouTube, abeg help me subscribe to this channel and also help me share the video. Bye.